Did you know that 75% of developers fail their JavaScript interviews? But don't worry, I've got you covered. If you've ever struggled with tricky questions, time limited coding challenges, or just felt nervous in an interview, this video is for you. Today, I am sharing 10 game changing JavaScript interview tips to help you get hired fast. Let's jump right in. JavaScript is one of the most in demand programming languages, and nailing your interview can open doors to exciting career opportunities. But with so much to prepare, where do you start? That's where these 10 essential tips come in. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prepare smartly, impress interviewers, and land that job. Interviews can be nerve-wracking, especially JavaScript interviews. Here are the 3 biggest challenges candidates face. 1. Tricky technical questions. Ever been asked something completely unexpected? 2. Time-limited coding challenges. You have 30 minutes and your mind goes blank. Sound familiar? 3. Lack of confidence. Even if you know JavaScript, self-doubt can ruin your chances. The good news, you can overcome all of these with the right preparation. Let's go through 10 practical tips that will help you stand out. Tip number 1. Master the fundamentals. You don't need to memorize everything, but make sure you understand core concepts like closures, promises, and the event loop. Interviewers love to test these. Example. Question. Can you explain the difference between var, let, and const? Tip number 2. Write code every day. Practice makes perfect. Use platforms like LeetCode, CodeWars, or JavaScript 30 to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Challenge. Write a function that removes duplicates from an array. Tip number 3. Learn to debug efficiently. Interviewers love candidates who think out loud and debug systematically. Use console.log, Chrome DevTools, and breakpoints to troubleshoot. Quick tip. Try solving problems without running the code first. Explain your logic. Tip number 4. Understand asynchronous JavaScript. Know how callbacks, promises, and async await work. Many interview questions involve asynchronous operations. Multiple choice. What does the await keyword do? A. Stops all JavaScript execution. B. Pauses the function until the promise resolves. This converts a function into a promise. Tip number 5. Learn common patterns. Know higher order functions, map, filter, reduce, recursion, and the prototype chain. They frequently show up in interviews. Challenge. Use .reduce to sum an array of numbers. Tip number 6. Get comfortable with algorithms and data structures. Focus on arrays, objects, hash tables, and recursion. Even basic knowledge can help you solve problems faster. Example. Question. How would you find the first non-repeating character in a string? Tip number 7. Simplicity over complexity. Interviewers appreciate clean, readable code over overly complex solutions. Keep it simple. Optimize later. Quick tip. Follow the KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. Tip number 8. Practice whiteboarding. Not all interviews allow live coding. Some require whiteboard problem solving. Practice explaining your thought process clearly. Exercise. Try solving a problem on paper before coding it. Tip number 9. Communicate clearly. Technical skills matter, but clear communication is just as important. Explain your logic step by step. Mock interview. Tip. Practice speaking your thought process aloud while solving problems. Tip number 10. Reverse interview the interviewer. Here's a pro tip that can make you stand out. Ask smart questions. Hiring managers love when candidates show genuine curiosity about the role and company. Ask, what does success look like in this role? Or what's the biggest challenge your dev team is facing? This shifts the dynamic, making you memorable and proactive. So there you have it, 10 JavaScript interview tips to boost your chances of landing that dream job. We covered everything from mastering the fundamentals to communicating confidently and asking smart questions. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more coding tips. Got an interview coming up? Drop your questions in the comments and I'll help you out. Also, check out this next video on coding best practices. You don't want to miss it.